AIDA is our DHL global forwarding chatbot, available in over 110 countries and over 11 languages. You can find the chatbot by heading to our DHL.com page, scrolling all the way to the bottom, and selecting our division. Once you select your division, you can see an icon appear on the right bottom, which is our AIDA chatbot. You can simply start the chatbot by clicking on the logo and pressing Get Started. Then AIDA will greet you, and you have the option to either insert some free text format, or you can click one of the 5 quick buttons. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will guide you through a couple of the quick buttons, such as Track a Shipment. So you would click Track Shipment. You then have the option to choose whether you are looking for a house bill number, a container number, or even a normal reference. In this case, we are looking for a house bill number, so I would go for the first option. I will then paste a house bill number. You also have the option to put up to 3 house bill numbers in here to look for. I will just look for 1. And then you would retrieve the result of where your shipment is. So in this case, it would be a shipment from Chicago Airport to Düsseldorf, and the shipment has been delivered. If you want more information, you can always click on this link, and then it would open up the public track page of DHL.com, and you would see more information on your shipment. At the end of each conversation, the chatbot will always ask if there is anything else that you can help with. If you select yes, then you will be led back to the main menu, and you can select the next button to choose from. We then have Book Shipments, so let's click on this one. You then can select whether you are looking for parcels or documents, or whether you are looking for cargo and freight. For our purpose, let's look for cargo and freight. And we are a business customer. And then you can see that it gives you again a link that you can click on to proceed with the booking. You also have the option here to book in an alternative way, which would then trigger a station finder logic, so you can contact a station nearby to proceed with your booking. In this case, I will just go back, so you can also type back to be led back to the main menu. And I will show you the next option, which is Get a Quote. Similar approach here, so you will have again the option to select whether you're looking for a freight quote or for local charges. In this case, we are looking for a freight quote. And the chatbot will again give you a link which you can click on to receive an instant quote. Let's get back to the main menu. You now have the 4th button, which is Sailing Schedule. This can be quite helpful if you're shipping with LCL and you want to see the sailing schedule in advance. So you can look it up here, and then you always can refer back to it. Of course, this is very much to the final booking confirmation. So you need to wait for that confirmation to be sure that you can go on that schedule. The last thing of our buttons would be the Contact Us. So let's click on Contact Us. Global Forwarding, again, is our division. And now it will ask you to put in the country and city name. So this would be your location where you're currently situated. For the purpose of this, I will just go with Spain and Madrid. So very easy, just the 2 words. Of course, if you have a country with more than 1 word, you can also put that in and it would still retrieve results. And you can see here the stations available closest to me. Yeah, there you have it. So if I click on yes again, I will be led back to the main menu again. If I would have pressed no, the chat experience would have ended. Now, we have AIDA available on web, but we also have a very good coverage on WhatsApp. So if I click on Help Center and I scroll a little down, we see this QR code that we can scan easily with our mobile phones, and it would open up the chat conversation with AIDA WhatsApp version. This version is has a little less options than our web version, but it still offers you the option to track a shipment and to contact a station. So it might be very valuable if you're traveling. And there you have it, our DHL Global Forwarding chatbot AIDA, there for your convenience.